Recycling is confusing. One wrong item can ruin the entire bin. So that's why we built a solution. Introducing RecycleAI.
My name is Aditya Chakravarthy. I'm a student at Flower Mound High School in the U.S.
Hi, my name is Hani Morali. I go to Flower Mound High School in Flower Mound, Texas.
RecycleAI is a smart, accessible web app that lets someone know if an item is recyclable instantly simply by snapping a photo. Me and my team created this for the BMIE Innovation E-Challenge 2025 under the Sustainable Cities and Communities category. You see, my inspiration came from my older brother. He's nonverbal and has cerebral palsy. And teaching him about recycling was always difficult. And even for most of us, recycling rules are confusing. What can or can't be recycled isn't always clear. I wanted to build something that was so simple and intuitive that even he could use it, and so could everyone else.
Here's our home screen. To begin, just tap Start Sorting. You'll be prompted to snap a photo of any item you're unsure about. Let's try it out. As you can see, this gold watch with a leather strap isn't recyclable. Items like this often contain batteries, mixed materials, and electronics, which require special e-waste disposal, not your curbside bin. Now let's try a traditional plastic bottle. This is one of the most commonly recycled items, and RecycleAI gets it right. Just make sure it's empty and rinsed before tossing it in the bin. Okay, let's try to find something kind of confusing. Let's try AirPods. And RecycleAI marks them not recyclable. And that's correct. These contain lithium batteries and electronics, which require proper e-waste recycling. Okay, now let's just try a traditional aluminum can. RecycleAI correctly flags it as recyclable. Just make sure it's empty and rinsed before tossing in the bin. Now let's take a look under the hood of how RecycleAI was built. Our project uses a modern lightweight stack optimized for speed and accessibility. On the back end, we used Python with TensorFlow and Keras to train and serve our deep learning model. It classifies images in real time to determine recyclability. The front end is built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, with responsive design for any screen size, whether on desktop or mobile. Here's a quick look at the codebase powering the app. This script handles the real-time predictions, webcam input, and front-end modal responses. The model loading and classification are done in Python, and the results are dynamically displayed through JavaScript. Our model was trained on a custom labeled dataset of recyclable and non-recyclable materials to ensure reliable results across common household items. One challenge we faced was getting accurate classification for lookalike materials like coated paper versus plain cardboard. We fine-tuned our model and balanced our dataset to minimize those false positives. Altogether, this stack allowed us to create a blazing fast, accessible tool that bridges AI with real-world sustainability and makes recycling easier for everyone. RecycleAI directly supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 11 Sustainable Cities and Communities. By helping users sort waste correctly, the app reduces recycling contamination, which is a huge global issue. According to the EPA, over 25% of items placed in recycling bins end up in landfills because they were contaminated or unrecyclable. RecycleAI makes recycling more efficient, more accurate, and more inclusive, all in real time.
It also helps reduce waste-related emissions, since less recyclable materials get sent to landfills, supporting climate action. This is not just a tech tool, it's a behavioral nudge towards sustainability. And because it's designed to work with users with physical or cognitive disabilities, it also promotes equity and environmental responsibility. By combining AI, accessibility, and sustainability, RecycleAI turns a daily habit, like throwing something away, into a smarter, greener action.
This is just the beginning for RecycleAI. In the future, we plan to expand the app with several key features: location-specific recycling rules so users can get guidance based on their city or country, compost and hazardous waste detection, an educational mode to teach why an item is recyclable or not, offline functionality so the app can run in undeserved communities without internet access, and potential integration with schools, smart bins, and city programs. We see RecycleAI as more than an app. It's a practical tool that makes sustainable living more accessible and environmental education more intuitive. Thank you for watching. RecycleAI was built to make recycling smarter, simpler, and more inclusive for everyone. We are proud to share it with the BMIE Challenge 2025, and I hope it inspires action toward cleaner, smarter communities around the world.